Come back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about the situation with Erica once again. As you know, this is a continuing saga that seems like it will not end for now. This is ongoing because Powell keeps coming out with new information, new receipts, and she's talking about other things. Now, as we all know, she was on Lorraine's platform and she took from Lorraine's platform, she went to Ashanti's platform with information as well. So, as you know, social media is buzzing with this thing about the landlord Erica, as she's chilling over there as well, and she's saying that they should go ahead and, do what they have to do. But basically, this is about the charity that she's running in Portland, where she's taking care of the mentally challenged people in Portland. So, guys, go listen to what Maxine has to say and what the tapes that she's listening to, what they're saying on that, and see if you find Erica to be guilty. What do you think about it? Do you think that she has been getting these monies and we're not using it on the cause that she got it for? Did you think? Or do you think that people are just over exaggerating things and this is just because they want to get at her? So go and leave your comments, guys, and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Please also click on that notification bell so that when I post, and for all those newcomers that are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We invite you all to stay here for more videos like this every day. Have a wonderful day, my lovelies.
Of course. What uno no know say landlord sit down and they study done a long time. They study the whole of uno long time. I take a little piece of the whole of uno. From Jamal. Now you have a masters, me worry Claude. She sit down they study the all of uno. And successfully they achieve things. The way all this a girl they got jail, me I tell you say the girl left here. The girl left her yard, go Jamaica, and carried out how much card will give landlord her money. What she not declare. What she not declare at the airport. Millions of dollars she carried down, and you know you can't go through the airport with more than $10,000. You cannot go there with $10,000. It has to be less than $10,000. Because the minute you do 10,000, there's a red flags. And this girl left Gwega, Jamaica, and carried down how much money. That is how much our head down into it. Into the money. A scammer them. Scammer alert. A scammer them. Me not sorry for her. She going to get everything will come to her. The whole of them learn from the best. Remember, so then say Carol and Shelly ever clean, and the whole of them carry down how much money. At the same road, the whole of them follow. The whole of them follow the same road. 20,000 US you have to declare it. I think you have to declare 10,000. 10,000. You can carry more than 10,000? But me not in a civilized time no more. Me remember say 10,000 then used to say. You can carry 20,000? You can carry $20,000 and not let them know you have $20,000 and you, Janice? I never know that. Wow, Simpson. Time change. Time change. I still thought it was 10,000. Wow. Oh, you can carry 20,000, but you have to let them know. You see how me always carry less than $1,000. Me no know, you know. Because I remember when I really used to carry money to Jamaica, I used to carry, me know how to hide my money and make like 10 somebody carry 1 month for me. Not in time there. Me didn't know say raise gone to 20,000 now. Me never know. But you see, me have to carry $50, $100 go down there. No, sir. I mean, carry 50 and so through the airport. Through the airport. Okay. Okay. Okay, Simpson. Okay, sweetheart. You're there. Up to that's the same thing. That's the same thing with Janice. That's the same thing with like Western Union. Cause I remember sending off money to Western Union and I have like about $3,000 and stuff. And me have to send $9.99 each time. $9.99. I could not send $1,000. But me get to understand say no, you can't even send $1,000. Is that true? Me say if you do business or stuff like that down there, you can send $1,000. You have to just prove where the $1,000 come from and so. One time gone, you could have never sent $1,000 to Jamaica. You could never. Or anywhere at all. It'd have to be like $9.99. So now it's like $19.99. Oh. They think they're slick. You're there again. You say a girl lie. One time a Ven account. The one time she made the account. One time she had the account for the longest while. Anything over 10K have to be declared. That's what I know. But you look like time changer now. But you see, true, me not carry money. Me no know. Pure mix up this a girl, they mix up herself. And she's still not here if you come off of social media.
So did you just go to the bank and open it under Ufa name? I'm not mine, girl, when I tell you, me after the open, but it go on behalf of her, it go with her email, it go with, I don't know how you go about or do something, it's an app, Cash App is an app. So when you open it with her email, so when money go in there, she know when you go to the bank, I used to just attach an account to it, so the money goes to the account.
You see?
She put fear account, but she went out.
See? See? I know you can send that through Jamaican National and stuff. You're not listening to me. I said Western Union. I said Western Union. And see it here where Simpson put again exactly what I'm saying. $10,000 you have to declare and let them know that you are bringing in that amount of money. So see, the law does not change. Exactly what I was saying. So we don't get this 20,000 and stuff like that. I don't know. That's exactly what I was saying. Might be not understand what I say, but me no know. Me no know how else make you not understand. Me know say if you have $10,000 they go through the airport with, you have to make them know say you have $10,000 they go through the airport with. I know you have to do that. So even if them put it to 20,000 or how much they want to put it to now, I can understand. Yep.
So if every dollar go in there, she will know because she do it by her email. So you open it through the email. And Cash App is not, them not the number where you can call them. We call them till I can come one at a time.
They not answer.
I never get through to them. You only can do like, I mean, I really must have on with it lately. You do like email and send them messages stuff. And I like a phone for you can call and they on the phone with them. I never want to have the young speaker. Well, maybe speaker want to ask you a question. Morning, sweetheart. I have a question for you. Who the Cash App is belong to, you or Erica? Erica. Hold on there. Erica, why the Cash App open at the first place? So when me want to use Cash App, which was probably me would I say, I probably use that Cash App 10 times a year. Before you finish with that, hold on. So you open a Cash App for Erica and link that Cash App to your bank account? Not to my bank account, to a bank account I opened for her also.
Hey.
Because I know I hear something.
Yep. I told you.
I know I heard something.
4 fucking different stories.
I'm confused. Based on
4
what you said.
fucking different stories.
That is why I come out and said what I said. She never talked about his email account. She never said, she specifically said bank account. I opened a bank account. You want me to play it for you? In her name. Fair.
Yep.
I'm being fair here. That is why I'm confused.
Yep.
That is why I was confused, people.
Me not confused. Me said it from day one.
The girl is based on what the girl said.
Me said it from day one.
When Michelle was talking to her, she caught up and you knew.
Uh-huh.
She said so. You're going to hear Lorraine change the narrative now.
Uh-huh.
And she knows that she fuck up too.
Yeah. Lorraine a liar.
Listen, let me reply. Let me go back. Let me go back.
You don't have to play again. Me don't tell them already long time.
I don't tell lies.
Me tell them long time. Tell the girl say go and go pay IRS and done because she done fuck up herself. Take a deal.
I will come by my life and say I live in
If the worst come to the worst, take a deal. Mm-hmm.
Erica, cash up. Because cash up can't be a Jamaica bank account. Erica can't live a Jamaica account first. Listen to me, I ask you. Hold on. Go to me, go way down. Hold on.
Yep.
Who open a cash up to Erica and link that cash up to your bank account? Not to my bank account, to a bank account.
Where you open for Erica?
All right. Where she say?
Mm-hmm.
I want to write it in here. Whether she did do that or never do that is what she say. So I don't want nobody can tell me that she never said so. Because when I talk about email, and when I talk about she never said that. Where the blood clot she just said. Let me see it. Type it. That is why I was confused when she said she opened a bank account in a fair name. That is why I said, but wait then. And you're saying this normal.
Yep.
You're saying this normal.
Yep. I said it already.
So when the people them talk about and that's what she said.
I played it out there.
I said that. Let me play it again for now.
Yep.
Let me play it again.
Start from the beginning.
The timestamp. A bank account I opened for her also.
Yep.
She never said email account.
Nope.
She never said cash up account.
Nope.
She said bank account.
Yep.
That is what she said. That's why I make people confused. So when people are come up and say loophole, nobody now make no loophole for nobody as she said it.
Yep.
And feel like.
Yep.
On to a bank account I opened for her also. With her email. So her cash up money. A bank account that I opened for her with her email also. I want to listen keenly now. Because I never know this money can open a bank account in a blood clean America. The people.
The people.
No, I'm not going to make it serious and do that mission. I love you to death. No. We're trying to burn you down the young lady. And no. I'm not going to make it serious and mission. Because I know what Erica will run with. No, it's not fair to the woman even though she's wrong. Erica got prison.
I swear to God, Lorraine teeth fly out on his head. You see when him ball out this one, him catch it back. His teeth fly right out on his head. And him put it back in there and him turn up. Everything went dark here, so. Up to Lorraine teeth drop right out. Them bully them.